Julia, I will introduce the definition of production function. The production function is one of the concepts of economics. A production function relates physical output of production process to physical input or factor of production. It's to distinguish allocative efficiency, the defining focus of economics. The primary purpose of production function is to address allocative efficiency in the use of factor input production and the resulting distribution of income to those factors. The maximum efficiency can be found by locating the global maximum in the production.
I'm going to talk about the production function. The derivative of the production function provides information about the manner in which the output of a production process change as a member of workers employed by the company change, and differentiation allows us to quantify such rate of change. So now I will give you an example for finding the output and marginal product. So from this graph, we can know the production function is Q equal to 60 times the root of L minus 5L. And then when L equals to 1, Q is equal to 55, and MPL is equal to 25. So when L is equal to 100, Q is equal to 100, and MPL is equal to minus 2. Therefore, we can know that we can say that there is a diminishing marginal productivity because the quantity of the output increases at the beginning, start from here, but start to fall at the points when L is equal to 40. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ada. So for the second part of this example, we can extend it for finding the size of workforce that maximizes output. Given the production function Q, the first step we can do is to find the first derivative of the function. And it gives us the answer of 30 times L to the negative power of 1/2 minus 5. And then we can let this equation to be 0 in order to find the stationary point. And after solving it, we have the answer of L equals to 36, which is the only stationary point of the function. Next, we can find the second derivative, and we have the answer of minus 15 times L to the negative 3/2. And at L equals to 36, we know that the second derivative is less than 0. So we can say that the local maximum is at L equals to 36. Thank you.
I'm here to conclude all the information that found by my group member. Production function is a real good approach to learn how the mathematics could tell us in the economic area. So in reality, there are more than one factors will affect the production efficiency, such as technology improvement, transaction cost, efficiency of the capital that we are currently using. So that's why we need more than one functions to locate the optimum combination of all these factors to maximize the profit. And I believe that we will have to learn more. We will have to learn more to gaining the further knowledge to understand what the mathematics will tell us in the real life. And thank you for watching.